Exercise 10.2, question number 5. We have to prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. This question we are going to solve by the method of contradiction. In such questions, we assume against something which is given in the question, and using the logics, using the facts, we prove that the assumption which we have taken for the hypothesis is wrong. So here, let us draw one circle, and the center is O, and draw one tangent passing through center of circle, passing through circle, and the point of contact is A. Let us take another point here on the tangent. You can take this point B, any side of your choice, and draw the perpendicular on the point of contact. We have to prove that the perpendicular we have drawn at the point of contact to the tangent passing through the center. And to prove this, let us assume that the perpendicular drawn at the point of contact does not pass through the center. So according to our assumption, if the perpendicular we have drawn at the point of contact A is not passing through the center of circle O, that means O is not center of circle. That means there must be some other point inside the circle which will be center of circle. Let us take this point O dash. Then there must be a point O dash in the circle such that it represents the center of circle. Now let us join O dash to A. Join O dash A. Now since O dash A is radius of circle, now since O dash is center and A is point of contact, so line segment joining O dash A is the radius. This means that angle O dash AB is equal to 90 degree by theorem 10.1. Okay, it says that the tangents are perpendicular at the point of contact to the radius. But in the question we are given that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to circle passes through the center. That means OA already we are given perpendicular. So angle OAB is also equal to 90 degree, that is we are given. Right? This implies that angle O dash AB minus angle OAB is equal to 90 minus 90. Therefore, angle O dash AB minus angle OAB is equal to 0 degree. That means angle O dash AB and angle OAB, the difference between these two angles is 0 degree. So if this difference is 0 degree, that means the line segment O dash A should coincide with OA. And if O dash A coincides with OA, that means O dash falls on O. This implies that our assumption is wrong. That means O is the center of circle. So the perpendicular drawn at the point of contact to the center passes through the center of the circle.